Hello kids, today we know about animals and their babies' names. Lion, Lion-Cub. Tiger, Tiger-Cub. Bear, Bear-Cub. Cheetah, Cheetah-cub. Elephant, Elephant-calf. Giraffe, Giraffe-calf. Kangaroo, Joey. Deer, Fawn. Fox, Fox kit. Zebra, Zebra-foal. Leopard, Leopard-cub. Rhino, Rhino-calf. Panther, Panther-cub. Monkey, infant. Peacock, Peachick. Rabbit, bunny. Donkey, Donkey-foal. Sheep, lamb. Horse, Horse-foal. Cow, Cow-calf. Goat, Goat kid. Squirrel, Squirrel-pup. Pig, Piglet. Hen, Chick. Mouse, Mouse-pup. Duck, Duckling. Crocodile, Hatchling. Dog, Puppy. Cat, Kitten. Camel, Camel-calf. Thank you.